This is a 2002 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, a special edition Dale Earnhardt car. There were 3,333 of these made this model year, and testimony to remembrance of Dale and his untimely death at the racetrack. It has a 3.8 liter V6, 210 horsepower, and it has special trim in remembrance of Dale. Black exterior, silver ground effects there, as you can see. His number 3 there on the exterior, and the interior is specially trimmed also with the Chevy bow tie there at the headrest. Automatic transmission, and in that gauge cluster you'll see Dale's signature there on the speedometer. Excellent condition. And signature there. As you can see, the car was bought in Mississippi, I believe. The Intimidator there in the back. It's a sad remembrance of passing of a great sportsman that mastered the skills of racing. And his death certainly has made changes in speedways and the way they're engineered, and also in the equipment that the race drivers use today.